आपको पता है क्या that men commit suicide 3 times more than women in the world. Blue zone basically are 5 places on the planet where people live the longest. So Ogemi, Japan, Icaria, Greece, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, and Loma Linda, California, US. So these are the 5 places where people live the longest. And Ikigai is their science of healthy and happy living. Ichigo Ichie, basically living in the moment. And that's what the power of now is. So if I were to ask you, the future is a mystery, the past is history, today is an opportunity, it's all you have. So that's, there's a nice quote of Dalai Lama. I want to tell you that you must love what you have and not want what you love. Right? So if you get the difference, you'll be happy. Happiness is an inside job. खुशी अंदर से आता है ना. If you rely on your partner or your boss or your friend to make you happy, it's never going to happen.
I mean, your boss is yelling at you, your spouse is yelling at you, and you are in the midst of a big fight. तो उसमें अपने emotions को control करना और ये बोलना कि okay fine, I'm going to be calm. It's not always possible.
Men are suffering today. We always hear about women being abused in a relationship, physically abused, mentally abused, right? But a lot of people, a lot of men go through it. I went through it, right? So my partner was probably not very stable, emotionally stable. So she would get angry. So there was a lot of abuse and people don't talk about it.
Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Seeds of Soul. Today, we are thrilled to welcome Manoj Anchan, aka Manny. He is a 3 times TEDx speaker and an alumnus of Harvard and Columbia Business School. He is an advocate for mental health and calls himself a happiness samurai. So please join me in welcoming Manny to Seeds of Soul. Welcome, Manny. Thank you for taking time to join us today on Seeds of Soul. We are thrilled to welcome you and just wanted to start our conversation with your thoughts on what is Ikigai living, because I have seen a few talks about where you talked about Ikigai living, and what does that mean?
Welcome. Firstly, thank you, Pallavi, for hosting me. It's a pleasure to be here. You're doing some amazing work. Very, very talented woman. So hats off to you.
Thank you so much.
Ikigai aata hai Ogemi in Okinawa.
Okay.
That's the #1 blue zone in the world. Blue zone basically are 5 places on the planet where people live the longest.
Okay.
So Ogemi, Japan, Icaria, Greece, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, and Loma Linda, California, US. So these are the 5 places where people live the longest. And Ikigai is their science of healthy and happy living. So जो ये planet में maximum number of people who live to 100 and beyond come from this village called Ogemi.
Okay.
So that's what Ikigai means.
Okay. And while we were connected, yeah, you said that you are also a single parent.
Yes.
So, in today's times where it is so difficult to keep together a relationship, much less a family life, I mean, everybody, I'm sure, is struggling with those questions. So, Ikigai ka, or how do you find that Ikigai in your life?
So my personal Ikigai is my son, Som, he's 16, my dog, Maximus, who's 8.5, and my mother. So that's my 3 personal Ikigais.
Okay.
So I wake up in the morning, I want to make my world better, personally for them. And professionally, what I do. So I run a company in the space of mental health, I write books, I do a lot of motivational talks, etc. So Ikigai is a mix of personal and professional. What it means is, आप क्यों उठते हो? What's your reason of waking up every morning?
Correct.
If you do not have a purpose, then over a period of time, mental illness, mental health problems will come up.
Correct. So आपने कहा कि आप corporate training भी कर रहे हैं काफ़ी MNC organizations के साथ, and जहाँ पर आप mental health के बारे में बहुत बात करते हैं and educate करते हैं.
Yes.
तो what is your program about, and how आज की corporate life में हम जो environmental stressors हैं या फिर जो team stressors हैं उनको हम कैसे manage कर सकते हैं?
तो मेरे टीम का फोकस ये है that we focus on making the employee or the manager or the leader or the CEO a better version of himself or herself. We don't teach sales techniques. We really don't do that. We talk about ikigai, we talk about habits, we talk about discipline, we talk about leading without a title. So we have programs from 1 day to 1 year at the workplace. We work with 21 different industry verticals in India and a few other countries. Ours is very immersive and engaging and very interactive. हम ज्ञान नहीं देते. We talk about life experiences, we talk about divorce, we talk about death, we talk about relationship issues, financial struggles, depression, all that we go through in a lifetime. Show me one person who's not going through it.
Or
Everyone.
hasn't gone through it.
Everyone will go through it at some point or the other.
Correct.
And if you do not reflect and you do not correct your behavior, it'll keep coming back
Again
and again, and the storm will come more severe.
Yeah.
So we are in that space because we really feel mental health and happiness is the most important thing in the world. Like you're a mother, you're a partner, you're a daughter, you have multiple roles, right? If you're not happy within, how will you complete all of it?
ओके तो मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी थी एकहार्ट टोले की विच इज कॉल्ड द पावर ऑफ नाउ
Yeah, one of my
It's-
favorite books. Yeah, it's a
yes.
beautiful book. Yeah.
यस इट इज ऑल अबाउट लिविंग इन द मोमेंट
Yes. Yes.
सो इसका और इकिगाई लिविंग का कुछ कोरिलेशन तो होना चाहिए बिकॉज इकिगाई इज अ वेरी एंशियंट कॉन्सेप्ट while Eckhart Tolle came in only about 60-70 years back and he
Yeah.
talked about
Yes. Yeah.
about being in the present moment.
Correct.
जो वो बोल रहे हैं उन्होंने एक पुराने थॉट को उन्होंने एक नए तरीके से उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया है बट दीज कंसेप्ट्स हैव बीन अराउंड फॉर अ मिलेनिया
Yes.
तो इसको हम अपने प्रेजेंट लाइफ के साथ हम कैसे हम कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं और हाउ डू वी इंक्रीज आवर happiness quotient is
Yes.
probably my question.
Yeah. So Ikigai has 10 basic principles. One of them is mindfulness, or it's called Ichigo Ichie, basically living in the moment.
Okay.
And that's what the power of now is. So if I were to ask you, the future is a mystery, the past is history, today is an opportunity, it's all you have.
Correct.
You have to write your own story.
Correct.
And you have 24 hours, I have 24 hours, and everyone in the world has 24 hours. What you do makes you or mars you. So it's very important. So monks are trained to live in the moment, right?
Correct.
People who live majority of their time in the moment are happier. Correct. If you're always worried about what happened yesterday and now you're thinking about tomorrow, you lost today. Right? Today is a gift. Do you know every day more than 150,000 people die in the world? So it's a miracle you and me are talking today, right? So we must have gratitude for it. And people who live every moment mindfully are successful, they're happy, they're content. So that's, there's a nice quote of Dalai Lama. I want to tell you that you must love what you have and not want what you love. Right? So if you get the difference, you'll be happy. So that's really what it is.
सो मैनी आपने एक बुक ऑथर करी है जिसका नाम है हैप्पीनेस समुराई उसमें बहुत एज ओल्ड टाइमलेस कंसेप्ट्स हैं लाइक विजडम करेज ऑनर एंड लिविंग इन द मोमेंट तो उस बुक के बारे में आप थोड़ा हमें बताइए
तो ये बुक मैंने लिखा था 2021 में जस्ट आफ्टर कोविड
ओके
ये बुक इज़ ऑन डेवलपिंग एन इंट्रिंसिक पाथ ऑफ हैप्पीनेस जो लंबे सफ़र तक रहे which is called eudaimonic. Eudaimonic means long lasting.
Could you repeat that?
Eudaimonic.
Okay.
Yeah, eudaimonic means long lasting. So eudaimonic models are prevalent in the Nordic countries जैसे Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Norway.
Oh.
तो ये models होता है जो देश on the world's happiest report, happiness report, they are consistently number one. Finland number one है 4 साल से. उसके बाद Sweden.
Wasn't it Bhutan?
नहीं, भूटान अच्छा. तो ये बुक के बारे में मैं थोड़ा बताना चाहता हूँ आपको.
हाँ.
ये जर्नी शुरू हुआ था किलिमंजारो पे, द माउंट किलिमंजारो, which is the world's tallest single standing mountain in Africa. It's called the Roof of Africa. It was Feb 14th, 2014 when I climbed it.
Wow.
And the 7-year journey ended in the foothills of Bhutan in 2019. तो आपने भूटान के नाम लिया. Bhutan is the only country in the world which has a World Happiness Index.
Okay.
So it measures its citizens on a gross national happiness index. तो वहाँ पे GDP नहीं होता है. GDP मतलब gross domestic product.
Okay. I genuinely thought that Bhutan is the happiest
नहीं.
country.
Bhutan is 95th in the report out of 140 plus countries.
Okay.
Because Bhutan socially is a weak country. Right?
Okay.
They don't have so many resources. It's not a rich country. But in terms of happiness, it's a beautiful country. I don't know if you've ever been there, but Bhutan is beautiful. So the book is about friendship, relationships, grief, parenting, friendship, you name it. What are the 10 core aspects that make a person happy? हमारा फैमिली होता है, फ्रेंडशिप होता है, मनी इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, करियर इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, health is important, spiritualism, mindfulness. So the book is all about it. और इसमें मैंने इकिगाई का philosophy borrow किया है.
Okay.
To decode happiness with the philosophy of Ikigai, which is something that I truly believe in. इसके लिए मैंने book का नाम लिखा है Happiness Samurai. That's
Which
the
is
book about.
interesting. But आज के टाइम में जहाँ पर हम इतना हेक्टिक स्केड्यूल है, okay, like people are working 8 hours and बहुत सारे प्रेशर्स हैं, फैमिली के प्रेशर्स हैं, हमारे टीम का, बॉस का, इतने सारे प्रेशर्स हैं. तो हम how can we be a happiness samurai? I mean, how do we even start is the question.
See, happiness is an inside job. खुशी अंदर से आता है ना. If you rely on your partner or your boss or your friend to make you happy, it's never going to happen. Right?
Okay.
So, happiness samurai basically means there's a lot of darkness in the world. और
Yeah.
आपको ये darkness काटना है. So, the katana, which is the sword of the samurai,
Yeah.
ये you have to use a metaphor in your life. How do you cut the darkness in your world?
Yeah, but how do you stop those thoughts, that darkness, as you rightly said?
Right.
I mean, your boss is yelling at you, your spouse is yelling at you, and you are in the midst of a big fight. तो उसमें अपने emotions को control करना और ये बोलना कि okay fine, I'm going to be calm. It's not always possible. I know I'm a mother. So if I am ever in if I'm ever in a tiff with my child, वो काफ़ी painful होता है. तो मतलब उस में अपने इमोशंस को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाए?
देखो, आई वेंट थ्रू अ लॉट. तो मेरे ज़िंदगी में 2013 से 2017 में देयर वर 4 लो पॉइंट्स. पहला मेरा डिवोर्स हुआ, देन आई लॉस्ट माय फादर, ही वाज नॉट वेल. देन माय फर्स्ट डॉग एल्सा, शी लिव्ड विद मी in 4 countries. She died. She was 11 and a half. She was like my first baby, right? और उसके बाद with the divorce, my son who was young moved back to India. तो ये 4 years were very cathartic, बहुत कठिन था. And उसमें मैंने काफ़ी, it was a trial by fire, I would say, right? So emotion control, everyday crying because you're going through a lot of pain. और उसमें a lot of friends abandon you when you go through tough times. Especially when you go through a divorce, common friends run away from you, right? When you want your friends to be there, they're gone.
Yeah.
Right? And then, it's a topic मैं आपको कुछ बताना चाहता, that men are suffering today. We always hear about women being abused in a relationship, physically abused, mentally abused, right? But a lot of men go through it. I went through it, right? So my partner was probably not very stable, emotionally stable. So she would get angry. So there was a lot of abuse and people don't talk about it. आज के ज़माने में that if you say, अरे मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता है, that's not true. Men are suffering and men are not emoting. आपको पता है क्या that men commit suicide 3 times more than women in the world? It's a very
that is
sad
so
number.
painful, yeah.
Imagine I'm a father. And then with a divorce, the court says, oh, no, the son should go to the mother. Right? Now think about it. It is not easy. A man is very attached to the children. A man is attached to the partner.
Family.
Okay, chalo partner ka divorce hua, khatam. But you still love your child.
हाँ.
Right? And imagine now you cannot have access to your child or whatever it is. You don't see your child for months or weeks.
मतलब the
वो easy
child,
नहीं है.
हाँ, वो child को जैसे hostage की तरह,
it's like a
access to
pawn.
the
It's a
child
pawn.
is like as if you are being held on hostage.
Yes.
कि मैं तभी allow करूँगी बात करने
जब
के
आपने
लिए.
ये condition fulfill
हाँ.
किया or whatever.
Correct.
And Indian courts, for some strange reason, always believe that the child is better with the mother. A lot of countries like Finland and all, ऐसा नहीं होता. You know, you say, नहीं, dad cannot look after the child. ये कौन सा rule है? Think about it. Right? Father goes to work. Father looks after the parents. Father looks after his or the health or friends, but they cannot look after the son or daughter. मतलब ये सही नहीं है.
कितना unfair है ना ये.
It's a very old rule, archaic rule है.
हाँ.
But I think ये change होना चाहिए because men today are good parents. I'm a single dad, and I'm sure you know a lot of people in this world today who are single parents. They're good people, and I feel जब से मैं father हुआ, I've become a better version of myself. Then you're less selfish, you're loving, you're more caring. So today also a challenge. My son is 16. Yeah. Right? He's not 6 or he's not 10 anymore. He's a man, young man. तो उसका thought बहुत अलग है,
बट इस केस में मुझे ये भी जानना है कि हाउ डिड योर सन रिएक्ट टू दिस सिचुएशन एंड आपने अपने लिए तो हम अपने इमोशंस के लिए तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो सकते हैं, बट हम अपने बच्चों के इमोशंस के लिए कैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, एंड इस डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में आपने उसके साथ अपना रिलेशनशिप कैसे बनाया एंड मेंटेन किया. दैट वुड बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग.
नहीं, बहुत टफ था because I was working overseas.
Especially when you said that your access to him was also limited. Yes.
So I was working overseas. I was a banker. और वो पूना में था उसके मम्मी के साथ. So I would fly in on the weekend, Friday night, spend Saturday with him and go back. And that would happen once in, let's say, once a month, right? It's very tough, very, very tough to imagine to see your son and leave him on a Saturday night, then fly to the airport, फिर वापस wherever I was stationed. तो बहुत tough था, to be honest. Not an easy part for me.
I can't imagine.
Yeah, it's very tough. I would break down at the airport. I would break down, but but just be in touch. Yeah, look after yourself, because if I don't look after myself, how would I be a good father? नहीं होगा ना.
Correct.
मुझे काम भी करना है.
हाँ.
मुझे उसके पढ़ाई के लिए पैसा भी भेजना है.
Yeah.
मम्मी डैडी का भी ख्याल रखना है. So it's not easy. Of course, I lost my dad in 2015, but my mother was there. If I break down, my mother would break down. If I break down in front of my son,
Correct.
he would break down.
So आपने अपनी डेली लाइफ में ऐसे कौन से टेक्निक्स या आपने कोई मेथड्स, आई मीन आई डोंट नो, आपने योगा या कुछ ऐसा कुछ आपने ट्राई किया टू रेगुलेट योर इमोशंस या मेडिटेशन?
देखो, I'll tell you a few habits जो बहुत important है. Number 1 होता है meditation. Number 2 होता है gratitude journaling. Okay. Journal every day, write something that you're in gratitude for. Number 3 is reading. मैं साल में करीबन 35 बुक पढ़ता हूँ, राइट. उसके बाद फिटनेस. दिन में 30 to 45 मिनट्स आप कुछ एक्सरसाइज करो, क्रिकेट खेलो, जिम जाओ, वॉकिंग करो, साइकिलिंग करो. देन पॉडकास्ट सुनता हूँ, फॉर माई माइंड.
ओके.
देन आई हैव अ कॉफ़ी विद अ फ्रेंड. आई डू गार्डनिंग. मेरे डॉग के साथ मैं खेलता हूँ. तो करीबन 8-10 हैबिट आपको डेली लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट करना पड़ेगा इफ़ यू वांट बी सक्सेसफुल. तो मैंने किया वो टाइम, और अभी भी मैं कर रहा हूँ. एंड आई थिंक डेली हैबिट्स मेक यू.
बिकॉज और हैबिट्स में थॉट्स का क्या रोल है? सबसे पहले तो थॉट्स आएगा, राइट? हाउ डू यू कीप एट दैट थॉट्स एंड बी परसिस्टेंट एंड कंसिस्टेंट on that path is something that I think you know where I'm going with this. You said कि आपने setbacks देखे हैं. तो उस टाइम पर आपने अपने जो negative thoughts हैं उसको आपने channel कैसे किया कि no, I have to go, I have to be true to what I am, and मुझे ये habits form करने हैं. आपके लिए आपके friends ने, new set of friends maybe, did you find new mentors, family, who stepped in for you at that time?
No, ये बहुत beautiful question है. First, I want to give you some perspective. As a banker, my last job was executive director, reporting to the MD, and my net salary was 3 crores tax free. So I just want to give you a little bit of perspective. ये मतलब बहुत high level का था. मैंने वो छोड़ दिया because मुझे purpose चाहिए था. तो
And this was which year?
2019.
Wow.
ठीक है. तो आई वेंट. आपने जूलिया रॉबर्ट्स का पिक्चर देखा है, ईट प्रे लव?
यस.
ओके.
वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स.
ग्रेट. तो मेरा एक वर्जन है. तो I
So
went to
you were the
Bhutan.
Julia Roberts.
No, yeah. तो मैंने I went to Bhutan.
Yeah.
Then I went to Sri Lanka. I went to Nepal monasteries. I went to Goa.
And did this happen like one day you just got up and you told your boss, I'm sorry, I'm putting down my
नहीं
papers?
नहीं
Or was it a journey?
मैंने 2018 में प्लान किया था that मुझे अभी wind up करना
Yeah,
है.
because in that movie, Julia Roberts उठ के चलती बनी. You know,
I
she.
know.
Yeah,
उसका
but that
divorce
was.
and
Yeah, so.
हुआ था.
So.
But नहीं मैंने प्लान किया एक साल मैंने बोला that I was handling a very big project, banking project. तो मैंने बोला मुझे ख़त्म करना है.
Yeah.
Allow me to go.
Hmm.
And then मैंने एक साल I lived off one suitcase. That's it. तो एक suitcase 1 year complete. और वो पिक्चर में she was looking for love. I wasn't looking for love. I was looking for more spiritual awakening.
Yeah.
तो ये साल मैंने spend किया and I got my moment of epiphany Golden Temple में. वहाँ पे maybe some divine
अमृतसर.
intervention. Yes. तो वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ मैसेज आया that do something that makes the world a better place. तो मैंने मेरा मेंटर को फ़ोन किया मेजर अनिल कुमार ही इज़ अ शौर्य चक्र विनर. तो मैंने उसे बताया that मुझे ये करना है. तो he said okay but remember you were a banker now you will be an entrepreneur. बहुत कठिन है in a bank or a corporate job you get a salary every 30 days right.
Correct.
Entrepreneur maybe you don't get something for weeks or months.
Yep.
तो बहुत टफ है. तो ये मेरा जर्नी था. तो मैंने वहाँ से फिर बाद में कोविड हुआ. द वर्ल्ड रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ फैमिली एक्सेट्रा. तो वहाँ से अब करीबन 4 साल हुआ है. आई हैव रिटन 5 बुक्स. आई हैव डन टॉक्स इन मैनी कंट्रीज. दिस ईयर आई हैव डन 65 टॉक्स इन 5 countries. I take my son for some of the talks.
Wow.
I went to Assam recently. I did work with the Indian Army. करीबन 600 girls from the NCC, National Cadet Corps. वहाँ पे हमने ट्रेनिंग किया. So I try to balance. It's not easy. Single dad is not easy at all. It's very challenging. बहुत
And I
challenging.
think that men आपने बहुत सही बोला कि men जो हैं उनको they have it tough when it comes to single parenting journey because obviously society, family, everybody, even the children, they put a lot of blame on the dad कि it didn't work out.
तो मैं जब टॉक करता हूँ आई गो टू कॉलेजेस एंड ऑल और इवन कॉर्पोरेट्स यंग एडल्ट्स एट कॉर्पोरेट्स मैं एक ही सवाल पूछता हूँ डू यू से आई लव यू टू योर डैड एंड नॉट मैनी पीपल से इट. Out of 100 maybe 5 will say. If I were to ask you how many times do you say, I mean maybe you do but हम नहीं बोलते हैं डैड को I love you but मम्मी को first thing I love you mom.
Yeah.
Why don't you say I love you to your dad? ये बहुत टफ है. So even with my son I tell him I love you maybe दिन में 5-6 बार तो मैं बोल ही लेता हूँ I love you. Once in a day he might say okay I love you.
He's a teenager. You can't
तो क्या
expect
हुआ?
so much of
तो
it.
क्या हुआ? I'm his dad, right?
नहीं बट टीनेजर से एक से ज़्यादा बारी बुलवाना वो भी एक अचीवमेंट है.
हाँ,
I'll give
तो
that to
एक
you.
तो आ जाता है
Yeah.
तो बट now today modern dating is tough if you're a single dad a man.
Yeah.
Right? Women don't kind of prefer a single dad if थोड़ा controversial है but
Yes.
today if you're a single woman and if there's a single dad on the other side chances are you may say no more versus
Really?
because
Yeah.
उसको they feel
But then even in that age group, I mean, obviously, if you're looking for dating, then you might be coming across women who are also single parents.
Not necessary. There are a
Okay.
lot of single people in the world. Yesterday, एक study मैंने देखा that now 1 in 4 people will die single.
Wow.
तो बहुत 25%, 25% है.
Yeah.
And now people are not marrying. People don't want responsibility.
Japan is facing the problem
Yes.
of reverse aging.
Reverse aging. US 1 in 2 marriages are breaking apart.
Yeah.
Think about it, no? So anyway, I'm saying it's a controversial topic. Modern dating anyway is tough.
It is tough.
Very, very tough.
That is
right?
what I have heard from
Modern
thus far.
dating is very, very tough. But it's fun. अभी 2 रात पहले Som asked me, Dad, what are you looking for in a woman? So, उसने मुझे उसका list दिया and I had to give my list. It was a very fun conversation.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I really hope that you find somebody out there. So all the single ladies,
Oh, no.
I shouldn't
That
say
was not
right?
the objective. I just
I
said
should say
one
that,
of the
right?
challenges of
No,
modern...
cut that, cut that, cut that,
Yeah,
cut that.
yeah.
Okay. So that is a very interesting take on modern dating. So while the youngsters between 20 to 30, they know that it is tough, but it doesn't get any easier as you age. So, well, so,
Indeed.
yeah. So this was interesting, Manny. I would love to know more about the projects that you have lined up for the future.
Wow, there's a lot of work. बहुत काम है.
That's a good problem, right?
बहुत काम है. Yeah.
There are two problems, right? One is a good problem and bad
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Good problem is when you have a lot of work, and bad problem is when you have no work.
Yes. नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है. I have a lot of gratitude. My son says that, Dad, you never switched off. Because कोई client phone कर रहा है or I'm writing something. So it's always on. But I always tell him that, look, you're lucky because I'm working from a home studio. We have a home studio and a home. So you can potentially see me anytime you want to.
Correct. Yeah.
Unless I travel. But we're working on a few new books, new podcast series, new programs of training. There बहुत काम है. Honestly,
It's the
it's a
calendar is
lot.
full.
तो-
2025 looks exciting.
Sorry?
2025 looks exciting.
हर साल exciting है. Every day is exciting. We take it one day at a time. Give it your best every day. That means 365 days would be good.
Fair enough.
और ये जो ईट प्रे लव ईयर में मैंने एक विजन मैप बनाया था. दैट इज़ 20 फीट बाय 15 फीट. वो 10 साल का मेरा जर्नी मैंने कैप्चर किया है. तो अभी तो 45% हुआ है. वी हैव
Okay.
माइल्स टू गो. हाँ.
So, Manny, vision map is a very interesting topic and
Correct.
much close to my heart. मुझे पता है कि मेरा भी एक विजन मैप है, बट वो एक डायरी के कोने में मैंने लिखा हुआ है और जो कि मैं इट्स लाइक अ पर्सनल चेक बॉक्स.
Correct.
और आपने कहा कि आपका विजन मैप है 45 by 50.
No, 20 by 15
20
feet.
by 15, I'm sorry. And so that's a huge one. And you obviously, आप उस पर वीकली चेक इन तो नहीं करेंगे, डेली चेक इन करेंगे, राइट? तो क्या आप अपने ऊपर बहुत इंटेंस पर्सनल प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं या फिर वेयर आर यू ऑन दैट मैप?
तो ये मैप मेरे मम्मी के घर में मेरा रूम है. एंड आई मीट हर वंस अ वीक फॉर कॉफ़ी. वो वीकली चेक इन हो जाता है. तो आई कंबाइन कॉफ़ी विद अ वीकली चेक इन.
ओके.
तो फोटो तो मेरे पास है, मेरे फ़ोन पे, मैं आपको बाद में दिखा दूंगा. बट आई गो मीट हर एंड आई स्पेंड टाइम इन माई रूम. थोड़ा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन मेडिटेशन टाइम होता है वो. तो आई सी द मैप एंड आई से ओके, मैं कहाँ पे हूँ, मैंने क्या अचीव किया है, क्या बाकी है. तो ये मैं कंबाइन करता हूँ, स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद माई मदर विद मेडिटेशन.
सो डज द विजन मैप ओनली कवर ऑब्वियसली आपने आप सक्सेसफुल रह चुके हैं, तो आई थिंक वो एक आपने वो टिक कर लिया है अपने बकेट लिस्ट में. सो हाउ मच डज मटेरियल सक्सेस मीन टू यू नाउ in this on your journey as an entrepreneur? Are you measuring your journey in terms of the cash and the money that you're earning, or are you looking for more spiritual fulfillment?
आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉर इम्पैक्ट. मुझे इम्पैक्ट का मेजरमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मनी इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफ कोर्स, एज आई मैंशन certain things, but I'm not chasing money at all. I'm chasing impact. I'm chasing how am I making the world a better place than where I found it. Do I make my loved ones proud? जो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ उससे उनको खुशी हो रहा है. How does my son view me?
Okay.
Right? How does my mother view me? Do I make my friends happy? Do I make a stranger happy? तो हर दिन मैं यही मेरा गोल है और ये मैं चेक इन करता हूँ बस. Money is not important anymore. I don't believe that money buys you happiness beyond a certain point. ठीक है ना? Money is important for your housing, for your clothing, education.
Correct.
उसके बाद अगर मेरा सैलरी एग्जाम्पल है 5 लाख एग्जाम्पल
हाँ जी.
और आपका सैलरी है 2.5 lakhs, does it make you 2 times less happier than me?
Yeah.
No. If somebody is earning 10 lakhs, does it make him 4 times more happier than you? No. After a point, like US में $80,000 का इंडेक्स है. If you're earning $80,000 and above, it takes care of things. Europe में I think 70,000 euros something. India का benchmark नहीं है because India is very diverse. Pune, Bihar, Bombay, you can't have a standard metrics, right?
Correct.
तो I think अगर आप रीडिंग करते हो, अगर आप का रिलेशनशिप पावर अच्छा है, अगर आप राइटिंग करते हो, you are doing podcasts and making the world a better place, then I think you'll be happy in the long run.
Oh.
ये मेरा formula है, and that's what I try to work on.
Okay. That's an interesting thing. एक सबीर भाटिया का एक इंटरव्यू मैंने आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू इट एंड ही सेड दैट फॉर एवरीवन देयर हैज टू बी अ सर्टेन लेवल आफ्टर व्हिच the money doesn't make any sense. For him, he said it was $20 million.
Okay.
Okay, so is there such magic number for you?
I don't have a number which I believe works for me and everyone else, but I have a benchmark as a banker. हम गोवा गए थे रिट्रीट में, and one of my one downs, he's a very successful leader today in a bank. तो उसने बोला यार मैनी बैंक में 5 करोड़ होना चाहिए, राइट?
Okay.
आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स घर होना चाहिए, बट बैंक में 5 करोड़ हुआ तो मैं जॉब छोड़ के डाइविंग करूँगा. ही इज़ अ डाइवर.
Okay.
अभी तक उसने जॉब छोड़ा नहीं है, सो आई थिंक दैट 5 करोड़ बेंचमार्क शायद बढ़ गया रहेगा उसके लिए.
Well, inflation.
बट हाँ, तो अगर ऐसा एक नंबर रखो जो योर हाउस इज EMI फ्री, करेक्ट? आपके पास एक डिसेंट कार होना चाहिए. यू डोंट नीड सो मच फैंसी कार्स. यू शुड हैव 2 गुड मील्स इन अ डे, हेल्दी मील्स इन अ डे.
Yeah.
3-4 अच्छा फ्रेंड होना चाहिए आपके पास, एंड अ डिसेंट फैमिली. देन यू डिसाइड द नंबर. वो नंबर 1 करोड़ हो सकता है, एग्जाम्पल. गोवा में 2 करोड़ हो सकता है, बॉम्बे में 5 करोड़ हो सकता है, देहरादून में 50 लाख हो सकता है. दैट नंबर का फॉर्मूला आपके पास होना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड हैव गुड मेडिकल कवर टू, यू नो, मेडिकल पॉलिसी. बट दिस नंबर शुड एटलीस्ट टेक यू टिल योर 80, राइट? इफ़ यू आर 50 टुडे, देन नेक्स्ट 30 ईयर्स आपको कितना पैसा चाहिए ये आपको थोड़ा कैलकुलेट करना चाहिए. इट्स वेरी इजी. योर मंथली एक्सपेंस इंटू 12 इंटू द नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स यू एक्सपेक्ट टू लिव,
Correct.
राइट? वेरी इजी. अगर आपका एक्सपेंडिचर 1 लाख महीना है, नो EMI एक्सेट्रा, तो मतलब साल में आपको 12 लाख चाहिए. थोड़ा ट्रैवल जोड़ दो, थोड़ा शॉपिंग जोड़ दो, तो करीबन 15-16 लाख हुआ इंटू लेट्स से 30 ईयर्स. तो वो नंबर जो है, देन दैट्स योर मैजिक नंबर.
Okay.
There should be some benchmark, I feel. कुछ तो benchmark होना चाहिए, otherwise you'll be working non-stop.
Without any aim and a conclusion.
You will, क्या होता है? बचपन में we are sacrificing that to become adults. When we become adults, we are sacrificing all that to create wealth. Then we realize we lost our health. Then we try to deplete our wealth to get back our health, and sometimes you don't get our health back because after 50-60 you're not healthy anymore. Then a lot of us live like we never will die, and we die like we never lived, right? So it's a sad
That is
commentary.
beautiful.
Right?
That is so beautifully put. Yes.
So that's why मैंने 45-46 से decision लिया था that मुझे छोड़ना है and मुझे कुछ करना है. I didn't know that, but वो जूलिया रॉबर्ट्स का जैसा मूवी था वैसा मेरा मूवी हुआ.
Correct.
तो वहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा realization मिला that I think this is very important.
Great.
So this is what I'm doing, and you know, hopefully I'm making the world a better place.
And that is what the aim is, that, you know, to make the world a better place. Yes. So Manny, this has been a very interesting conversation, and आपकी life journey के बारे में जान के, trust me, I am truly inspired. You have been through a lot and you have come out as a winner on the other side. Now tell me, if you were to give any 3 advice to your younger self, what would those advices be?
Wow, बहुत tough question है. But number 1, focus on you till the focus becomes you. Always do things that make you a better person. Don't chase, attract. Number 1. Number 2, nothing changes if nothing changes, right? If you want something beautiful in your life, you have to change, and that change must come from you.
Correct.
You cannot expect the world to change. If you change your perspective, the world changes, right? And number 3, I think live in the now. You know, in my younger self, probably I was thinking too much about the future, example, or worried that what happened in the past was not good, the imposter syndrome, etc. तो ये 3 बहुत important है. Focus, living in the moment, and change. That's what I would say.
I think this is truly a great parting gift and a great thought. And on that note, I would just like to thank you profusely for taking time once again to join us on Seeds of Soul. It has been truly an enriching and empowering conversation for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pallavi.